I don't know if you hear the bird that's doing all kinds of different songs and chirps. That is called a mockingbird. The mockingbird copies, mimics, and sounds like the birds that it's doing its call and copying it. Do you see how others are copying and mimicking the truth? You see, from what I see, yeah, they speak truth and they intermingle the lies because the bird is not really the bird that it's singing about on its song. I don't know how much you know about a mockingbird, but a mockingbird will not create its own nest for its own babies. It will not raise its own babies. It is a lazy bird. What they do when another bird has a nest, it will go lay its eggs in that nest and allow the other bird whose nest it is to hatch those eggs. When those eggs hatch, the bird that cares for its young will feed the mockingbird and mockingbird's babies as well as their own. But when they get big enough, those mockingbird babies will push out the real birds whose babies they really are, and they die. So right now, I hear a lot of the same things. They're mocking, but you know what? They can't push us out. We keep speaking truth, and they have to redirect what they're speaking to sound like us. But over time, sooner or later, they'll be speaking the whole truth and won't even realize it. We're getting so close to that happening. It is so close to being the whole truth and nothing but the truth. I remember watching a movie a long time ago called A Few Good Men. And in that movie, in the court of law, it was said, you can't handle the truth. Well, when the whole truth is told, will you use it for an occasion of the flesh? Or will you use it to amend your ways and make things right? That's where we're at. The mockingbird mocking the calls are sounding so similar that you really can't tell what's truth and what's not, because it's all coming together to tell nothing but the truth. It made me realize this because I have my chickens out, and with them singing copycats, one of those songs that was sung was the Song of the Hawk. And I know the hawk likes to come after chickens for food because they have nests going and babies and they're needing food. So I was looking at them and then realized that's what's going on in the world today. And only truth is going to remain. We just have to keep enduring and keep speaking truth.